morning. This is video 4 for reading this week. We're going to learn a way to add more words to our vocabulary simply by adding an ending to words we already know. So we're going to learn about suffixes. Suffixes are an ending that's added or attached to the end of a base word, a word you already know. And if you add a suffix, it changes the meaning of the word. So let's take a look at a word, a base word we already know, help. If I add F-U-L, full, to the ending, the new word is helpful. If I add less to the end of help, then it becomes helpless. Do helpful and helpless mean the same thing? Think about it this way. That baby bird was helpful to its mother. That baby bird was helpless. Now, do those two things mean the same? No. Let's take a look at the meanings of full and less, and then we'll come back to these two at the end. The suffix full means full of. Here are some examples. Colorful. Colorful. If you add full to the end, it means full of color. This poster is very colorful. Full of color. Painful. If you add full, it means full of pain. When I fell off my bike, I hurt my knee and it was painful, full of pain. How about joyful? Joyful would mean joy, full of joy. I'm very joyful today. It's a beautiful sunny day. If you add the suffix less, it means without. So let's look at the examples. Homeless. Less means without, so without a home. The bird is homeless. He fell out of his nest, so he doesn't have a home anymore. Homeless, without a home. Hopeless means without hope. In the story that we read yesterday, Marta was hopeless. She was without hope. She didn't think they could figure out what was making the rat-a-tat-tat sound. And then finally, with the ending without on powerless, without power. If you lost your power in the storm, then you were powerless. You didn't have any electricity or power, without power. So let's refer back to where we added full and less on help. If you are helpful, you are. So when the baby bird was helpful to its mother, maybe it helped get some worms for them to eat for dinner. Full of help, the baby bird was helpful. If you add less to help, it means without help. If the baby bird was helpless, then it was without help. Maybe it lost its mommy and it's without help. The baby bird is helpless. So do these two mean the same thing? No. Sometimes a suffix can change the meaning of a word. So your homework to go with this video is an activity in Seesaw, and it's about full and less. Take care. Bye-bye.